So your do now problem for today says Emilio built a rectangular prism using centimeter cubes. The base had 15 rows with 9 cubes in each row. The prism was 12 cubes high. What is the volume of Emilio's rectangular prism? So the first thing you should have already done, and if you haven't already, you need to hit pause, is get your question marks with what the question's asking and your key information. The question's asking about the volume. We know the volume is length, width times height. It says the base had 15 rows with 9 cubes in each. Well, if you think back to area, base is length times width. So it's essentially saying that you need to do 15 times 9, and then the height is 12. So when we solve this, need to be doing 15 times 9 times 12 to find the volume of this area. So I'm going to start with 15 times 9. Okay. So when I think about 15 times 9, and I'm going to do the standard algorithm, but you do whatever works for you. 9 times 5 is 45. So I'm going to put my 5 and carry my 4. 9 times 1 is 9, plus those 4 is 13. So I know 15 times 9 is 135, but I still need to multiply that by 12. So now underneath, I'm going to do 135 times 12. And again, if you need the box method or you need anything different, then you work it out and then come back and make sure our answers match. So I'm going to start with the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, so I'm going to put 0, carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus that 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. Now that I'm done with that 2, I'm going to cross it out, and I'm going to add it as a place value down below. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. And I now need to add these numbers down here at the bottom together. 0, 0, 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. Bring down the 1. So I know my volume should be 1,620 centimeters cubed, which is D. That goes in your do now box.